but mine doesn't work. Every time I do that, it just like legit crashes or just doesn't work. So I have to drag and drop it from the file. Yeah, so just in case. And then this all stays the same editable layer. Okay. And then you open the folder.
I got a bunch of things. I put it all separate. Yeah. So now you know.
It's okay.
Yay.
Dragon.
It's kind of crazy.
I know.
Yay. Yay. Isn't it cute?
It is. Hold on.
I put 2 eyeballs.
Is this in order too?
Not. Well, I mean, in order as I can make it.
Okay, Swag. I'm asking because I honestly don't know what I just did right there to make it go in order like that. Every time I've opened this, it opens like out of order.
Oh.
So I'm like genuinely surprised right now.
This is the first time. This is baby's first one.
I'm gonna need to see that clip. Okay. So, basically the first thing is, you mess with the anchor points, which is this one right here, or you can press Y, and you just go through every single one and basically figure out where you want all the anchor points to be.
Oh, ignore that part.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, so you just drag and drop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just do this so then I don't accidentally like
it's a le body.
Yeah, select the wrong thing. Ear tufts,
I didn't know I should merge those.
I think it would have been better if they were separate, so I'm not gonna put an anchor point on them.
Okay, yay.
Because they'll move weird, but basically you always just put anchor points where joints are.
Okay.
Or like where I normally put. Oh, I'm gonna do this with my mouse. It'll be.
With your mouse? Ooh.
Or with my pen.
That's crazy. That's faster.
Yeah. Some parts are some.
That's one of them.
They're both connected right here.
Yay.
Do you see that?
Yeah, that's my bad. I thought I got rid of that. Fuck, penis.
Oh, wait. Is it like one closed, one open?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know what to do with that.
Yay.
Beautiful,
smile unlocked.
Beautiful.
And there are his glasses.
Yeah. Whenever it's like glasses or eyes, I always... Oop, I didn't mean to do that. I always put it towards like the middle of it.
Okay. That I left a little loop-de-loop on the hair on it.
Oh, okay.
So that's not separate.
Wait, which one is it? Oh, I didn't have the layer on. I'm stupid. I was like, where is it?
No, it's okay. It happens to the best of us, man.
Okay, beautiful. I think I got all the anchor points on them. And then what you have to do next is right here is the parent link section. And so like hair, main hair, back hair are all gonna be going to the head.
Oh.
So basically now if I move the head, all of the hair moves with it too.
That's beautiful.
So
okay, that makes sense.
What's this one? Yeah.
Glass.
Okay, this all goes to head. Head goes to neck. Yeah. Ear tuft goes to ears. Oh.
I put them separate.
Yeah, that might be hard.
Oh yeah, I did put them separate. Oh balls.
Oh balls. How upset would you be if I just deleted the ear tufts?
It's okay, I forget them a lot of the time. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Oh, ear tufts.
It's okay, he's bald now.
I'm gonna leave the wing on its own and the neck on its own.
Okay, yay.
And then we select all, and then I press... My favorite one is rotate, so you press R, and then you click the little timer thing to open a thing on all of them. And then I go to the end, and then I click, this is the keyframe button over here.
Okay.
I click it again, and so basically that just created a keyframe for like every single layer at once.
Oh, wow,
and then
okay.
I don't really worry about timing until the very end, so then I basically just go in the middle and I fuck with all of them. The rotate tool is up here, it's W.
Okay.
And so then let's go to head.
Ooh! Cuteness giggle.
Yay! And then whenever I'm done with it, if you press U again, U is like the best one for opening layer things, so U closes it and U opens it. And I always close it when I'm done with editing whatever thing I wanted, because
so what does U do exactly?
It just like it opens whatever
the rotation
transform
that you did?
tool you have. Yeah, it opens whatever transformation thing that you have going or editing.
Okay.
But for now we only have rotation.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn off the eyes because I'm gonna animate those later.
Okay, yay.
Glasses I think can just stay still the whole time.
Yeah, I don't mind that. That's fine. The cute back hair.
The cutie poo. Oh wait, left hair.
My giggle
for the eyes... Which one's eye?
That one's closed. Ooh, what is that?
I'm making it shorter.
Okay.
So I'm making it...
So that's how long it stays?
Yes. So I'm basically like...
Genius.
Setting the blink ready. And then I'm gonna have to copy it again. I just copy pasted it.
Okay. Genius.
Genius. And I'll probably have to change it. So this is like so slow right now, but...
Oh, that is cute. Yay! He's moving.
He is moving. And I gotta change hair to... there.
Oh, okay, I see.
I'm gonna make the... Where's the head? And then I'm gonna make the neck.
Are you making like new keyframes for every movement?
Yeah, every time you move it, it automatically makes a keyframe.
Oh, okay. Ooh! He's moving.
Oh, I forgot to set the new eye layer to head. I'm silly.
It's okay, it happens the best.
There we go.
And I have a question.
Yeah.
Does this same thing like apply, but when you're like making videos too? Like your last map part? Did you make that in this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Could you walk me through that as well too? I'm curious.
I could I could open up
yeah,
one of the map parts I did.
I want to absorb knowledge.
You could look into my world.
Riley's beautiful world.
I'm just gonna fix the timing now since I'm animating the eye, it'd be better to get the eye ready now.
Okay. So it's basically just a lot of like making movements and then fixing the timing on them.
Yeah, and like honestly, a lot of the stuff is a lot more numbers based than you'd think, which is kind of funny to me.
Like, what do you mean?
All of the movements, you don't have to make it movements, but all the movements on the side here in properties, you can specifically put like certain numbers if you want to. Like,
oh, for
you
like
could be super specific with it.
Like, could you show me an example?
Like, let's say I only wanted to move the back hair rotation by 6 instead.
It would just slightly move the hair instead of you having to like do it with your mouse or something?
I guess if you wanted like each hair to only move by 6 pixels or whatever, you could do that instead of just like guessing.
Oh, so like what you're doing by moving it is just like guessing it, but you can set it to do that
Yeah.
manually. Okay, that makes
Oops.
more sense.
Okay, so right there, I just double clicked on the iframe and it brought me to this thing. It's not that big a deal. You can just exit out and you get brought back. It's for
cute.
bigger projects.
That's cute and funny.
I'm gonna make little. I'm gonna make this faster still.
Okay. Oh, and you can just make it faster by shortening everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I think it like automatically makes it. At least mine automatically makes it like 15 seconds or something.
Yeah. So that's the longer it is, the slower it is. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Let's go.
Okay,
This
crazy.
this kind of has like an easier UI than Clip Studio Paint to be not Clip Studio Paint, but Sony Vegas to be real.
Yeah, from what Juno showed me, I was like, holy fart, bro.
Yeah, I've been trying to learn through Sony Vegas, but it's just so overwhelming. Like I haven't done it in months. So yeah, this looks more easy to understand.
I'm wondering why this is starting on a different thing.
Is this something that I did?
I don't know. I don't think so. Hold on. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it might be because I kept them attached. I didn't think about that.
No. It shouldn't be. It's more like I think it.
Yeah, it's being funky and weird and strange.
Um. 69 or 63.9 116.7. Okay, yeah, that's. I think if I just copy paste these coordinates might fix it.
I hope. If I need to make any edits to anything, I can do that really quick. I have it on
You
my
should be fine.
computer.
I think it was something that I did. I think I like. Fuck. Is it moving up?
Yeah, it is moving up a little bit, I think.
Yeah, like I was wondering if it was getting tweened somehow.
Is it not?
I think one of them just. I don't know what's happening. Hold up. You know what? Hold on. I think I might just be. I'll just do this.
Okay.
This will be an easy way. So basically, when the eye opens back up, it'll be at the beginning again.
Like that?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Yeah, it does move up a little bit, I think.
Oh, and the hair. Hold up. I gotta
Yeah, and
fix the hair.
I kept the eye on the left permanently closed. That's probably why it looks a little bit funny.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm moving the hair a bit so then it covers the.
Okay.
And
Still
then.
somewhat viewable, but it's not like terrible or nothing.
Yeah, and I'll make the canvas bigger later so then it. Nice. Okay. So that's a good thing. I'm gonna make the wings flap a little bit.
Yay! And can you show me like how you export it and stuff too?
Yes, like through Photoshop?
Yeah.
Yes.
And maybe also through like a website just in case.
Yeah. Yeah, I've had trouble through website before, but
Yeah,
I'm trying my best.
It's okay.
Oh, wait, I forgot I have to explain. So you can select keyframes, right click, keyframe assist, easy ease is like the easiest one. I'll be using ease in and ease out as well for some of
What do
these,
those
but
do?
it's basically tweening. It makes it
Oh.
smoother. Like, see, it just made the wing a lot smoother than before.
Okay.
And then I normally set the ease out. No, sorry, this ease in. So this one eases in, and then the beginning is gonna ease out.
Ooh.
And so then it's just.
Did you do that on
a
the
lot
bottom
of.
frame? Yeah, the wing frame.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I can animate the eyes real quick too. The eyes, so I'm selecting both the eyes, I press S and it opens scale, click the stopwatch, And then this is like an example where if you press U again, now I see both scale and rotation. There should be a way to see the two and not the extra ones, but anyway. I'm gonna make it so I'm copying that keyframe. I'm gonna put it like right here or so.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put it right here again, and then basically unlink the scale right here, so then you can do it specifically horizontally or not, because if you don't have it, it does it like uniform.
Oh, so unlink it, you said?
Yeah, unlink it.
Is it unlinked when it's crossed like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna make it like a bit up. So like this is the part where I'm gonna put in specifically like 1, 2, and then here I'm gonna put like 105. And it's because this is gonna be like the rebound eventually when it loops.
Okay.
Ease.
And what'd you just do there? Move it? Move the keyframe or whatever?
Yeah, you can just drag the keyframes wherever.
And what does that do in specific?
It changes the timing of when the keyframes will be tweened to.
Oh, okay. So
I'm setting
asking
another
stupid questions. I gotta make everything.
No, you're good. This one is gonna be like the animation for when it goes to blink. I'm gonna do like 75. I never make it close all the way. I've seen tweeners where they make it close all the way and then turn to the blink, but I just do it a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I like the way that you do it. I've seen stuff that you've done.
To my yun. And then
got my smile on.
I'm gonna set this to like here. And then unlinking that scale as well. I'm gonna make this about maybe. Oh wait, no, this one needs to be bigger. Like 110.
Okay.
Oh, I moved the rotation up.
Oopsie.
Rotation of the eyes don't matter. We can turn. Okay, so I'm gonna go about here. I'm putting a keyframe. I'm making it 100 because that's like the original frame.
And that's you're messing with the scale, right?
Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna make this one under. I'm gonna do like 95. And then I'm gonna make this is like the rebound frame, or I guess the
okay.
stretch. Yeah. And then I could just copy paste this one for the last one. Open it up again.
Okay.
Let's see how that looks.
That is cute.
Yeah, a little blink.
That is cuteness.
I'm gonna make them a bit faster than. That is so cute.
Yay, my Randall.
Yay. So I'm gonna close that because we're done with that. That was glass. I could make the glasses rotate a bit. We can see at the end.
Okay. It's up to you. I don't really mind either way.
Okay, so the fun part about this is that we can select all of these, do easy ease.
Ooh.
And so now it has an easy ease on it. And I normally set to the ease in, ease out.
So ease out at the beginning and ease in at the end?
Yeah, so like the thing that I did at the very beginning is that whatever frame I started on, I copy pasted it to the very end, so that's why it loops.
Oh, yes, okay.
But one of the things that I like to do that's fun is that now that we have all of the like set frames done, is that so the head is, where's the head? Am I crazy? That's main hair. Ear, neck.
Oh, it's
oh, right here. Okay. So this one is like the main movement thing, so we're gonna close this, but then we can play with the ears, and we basically set all of these a little bit off time from the main one. Main hair we move a little bit over.
A little bit off time from the head, you mean?
Yeah, we basically just move all of them a little bit off time, so then like it's kind of more like a follow through. Like you know how like with hair animation, it's like the head moves and then the hair still moving afterwards. Yeah, we're basically doing that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
But then the head stays the same.
Yeah, the head and yeah, since that's like the main one.
This is cuteness. I'm having a good time here.
I'm glad. I'm gonna change the ears to move a little bit more dramatically, so then we notice it.
I just made me realize I fucked up something with the ear. You see the tufts at the bottom? I didn't go all the way, so there's like a weird hole.
Oh,
my bad.
Do you want me to hide that?
Yeah,
or?
could you?
Yes.
That's okay. That's my bad.
So since I didn't mess with the position on here, I can just press V and move it over.
Ooh la la.
But if I were to have messed with the position, you can right click and do pre-compose, and that turns it into basically like a brand new baby layer, and you can start all over with all of the editing.
Okay, so that just makes it fresh. Okay.
Yeah, but it still keeps all of the old editing, so it's just like another fresh layer on top of the pre stuff. So it's really nice for that stuff. Beautiful.
Yay.
And then I can move the neck. Didn't move that much. I can move it a bit.
The beautiful smiler.
For real. This is so cute.
I know, I'm having a good time. That's and honestly, so is that almost the end of the process?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm just gonna so since the ear cuts off at the top, so I'm gonna go to composition settings, and this is basically where you can fuck with the width and stuff.
Oh, but then that cuts a little loop-de-loop off.
Yeah, I'll probably I can move him all at once when I'm.
Oh, you can. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and so I'm gonna select all of these, and then turn them into pre-compose.
Ooh. Why do you do that? So it's all together?
Oh wait, I do need to. Hold up. So I don't know if you saw, but when I pre-composed it right there, it cut off the
thing. No.
Yeah, so I must wait. Why is it at the top right there? I like how scared you got.
That just scared me.
I think the.
Oh yay! I'm glad it doesn't erase it completely.
Yeah, it was just because I pre-composed it and it was like cut off already. So.
Oh yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna align layer. I'm just doing it to the. Excuse you. Sorry, hold on.
What happened?
I wasn't moving. You're lying.
And what does the align layers thing do?
It basically, so since it's kind of off already, since it's not like cut off at where the ear ends, it cuts off at wherever the PNG was. It's not like specifically correct, but if it were, you could like align it specifically to the middle, or like.
Oh, and that just moves, like you pre-comp it and then you do that and then moves everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna keep it at
Oh.
I'm gonna keep it at this height. I think this is good.
Wait, hold on. Look at the ear at the top. What happened?
Where?
The top. It kind of cuts off.
Oh, it did. Oh. Thank you for noticing.
That's okay.
That means that when we did this, it was.
Yeah. Okay, I see what the problem. Yeah, he has big ass ears.
I'm glad you noticed that because I did not. Also, I should say that I'm pre-composing it because if I were to just move it like this, it gets all fucked up.
Yeah, no, I figured. So pre-composing it is basically like merging the layers.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Beautiful.
Cute and pretty and cute and funny.
Trying to put him like in the middle as much. Perfect. Okay.
Yay.
So I'm saving this. I'll just save this to my downloads. Randall assets.
Yay.
Or GIF asset, I guess.
Okay.
And then I actually don't remember off the top of my head how to do it, but I saved a tutorial on how to do it.
Ooh, send me this.
So, yes, I fucking love this tutorial. It's the best one I found.
Oh wow, okay.
It was, okay, so PNG sequence RGBT plus alpha. So we do file, export, add to render queue, and then we change this.
Okay.
And then format, PNG sequence, RGBT plus alpha. So basically alpha means that I'm making the background transparent.
Okay.
And then there is like a specific way to turn on alpha, but I think that it should just be alpha no matter what, or transparent, but if it's not, you could just look
I would certainly hope so.
I would hope so too. Sometimes it doesn't.
Well,
And then this is just where you want it to go to.
Okay.
I'm gonna do downloads and then render.
And does that make it like a GIF, pretty much?
So After Effects doesn't export as a GIF for some fucking reason.
I don't know why they don't do that.
Yeah, so I just had to export it as a PNG sequence. So then with this, it's you can also check right here, or where was it? I think in the composition settings. Sorry, I need to go back to it. Composition settings. We're on frame rate 24, so that's a good thing to check whenever you need to like turn it into a GIF.
Okay, yeah.
And so I'm gonna open this in Photoshop to make it a GIF. And it's literally just like opening it in photo. I'm so sorry if you see old art on here.
Why are you
Because
apologizing?
I only ever go in because you're gonna see like old animatics maybe.
I don't care.
But I only ever open this to look at old stuff. Okay, never mind. See, that bottom's all old stuff. But you go to open Photoshop by selecting the first sequence. Okay, so I think it's like Photoshop file import. Was it video frames to layers?
Father and son.
Oh wait, no. Okay. Where was it? After opening your PNG sequence, open them in Photoshop by selecting the first in the sequence in the file open dialog. Okay. File open.
Oh, there
download.
It is. Oh wait, no, it's not the wrong.
No, that's the right one. It's a folder full of all of the PNGs. Like,
oh, okay.
If I were to open it right here, it's
cute and funny.
It's just all of them right here.
That's cute. You got a bunch of Randall
So,
on your computer.
I do. I click on that and I make sure I do image sequence and then I open.
What's the matter here? Where is it?
It's just loading.
Oh, okay.
Or is it not?
It didn't look like it was. What happened?
Where's my Randall?
Where's my Randall?
Hold on, let me try again. Where's my Randall?
You saved it as GIF assets. That's why I was wondering, is that the right one?
GIF assets?
Yeah, you saved it as Randall GIF assets.
Oopsies. Let's go see. Wait, when I exported in Adobe, was it not PNG sequence?
No, yeah, I'm pretty sure you did. What happened?
Ruh-roh.
Ruh-roh.
Let's open up Randall again.
We're the fumbler.
Oh, that was just the file name. That wasn't like the...
Yeah, that's why... Okay, yeah, that's
okay.
funny.
Well, I guess we could try GIF editor for now to see if that's faster real quick.
I still want to see on Photoshop too, just to be sure.
Yeah. GIF.
I used this the other day.
Whoa!
Girl, you need ad block!
I do have ad block, but it gets mad at me. I thought that was a full-on pussy for a second. I got scared. Holy shit.
I hate ads. What's the problem with my Randall?
I don't know.
We're learning things.
I'm gonna try that again.
It's 24 FPS, I think.
PNG sequence. RGBT plus alpha. Downloads. Randall test. overwrite it.
I'm praying.
Okay.
Hopefully that should work this time. Why, God? Why? Oh, yeah.
I don't know if this is a thing that I need to worry about, because it's like, what? I need to open cloud documents.
We're learning things together.
I'm so confused on why it's not working.
It's worked before, right?
Yeah. This is how I normally do it. You can change it for me here. You generally give whatever. This frame rate. After opening your PNG sequence, open them in Photoshop by selecting the first in the sequence in the file open dialog,
Check
clicking options
the frame
if.
rate in a dialog that pops up to the same as says output from After Effects. Okay.
Make sure image. Is there an options thing that I'm missing?
I don't know.
Maybe I'll try this open instead. Maybe I just.
What is happening? I'm scared.
Genuinely, what?
Maybe you could try saving it somewhere else. Like
yeah, I'm like, I wonder if it just hates downloads for some reason. Like, he's all here.
Yeah, like, what the heck? What happened?
Sorry, your recording is probably longest part.
No, it's okay. I was expecting it to be.
Sorry. Render view.
This is good because if I ever come into this issue.
Can I not do it once I've already? I guess. Or. Ah! I don't know. I didn't mean to click that. I guess my bad.
No, media encoder.
Media encoder. Oh no!
You're back.
Get away from me!
Get away from me! That was scary.
Okay. I've never done that before.
Add to render queue. Okay. Third time's the charm. Best settings.
They wanted 24. Use 24.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing this one. This screen.
Yeah, I'm just making sure.
I'm scared.
And then PNG sequence. That's what it wants, right? Hold on. PNG sequence RGB plus alpha.
I'm really hoping that this is what it means. Yeah, and use comp frame number was
yes.
Yeah, okay.
And then output to, let's do documents. That's where I normally do it. For I'm scared to put spaces, so I'm gonna.
Okay. That's chill. What did you do differently that time? Did you do the pre-comp? That looked different.
I don't know. Open documents.
Pre-comp 1.
Comp.
What happened? What on earth is happening?
Genuinely what?
Maybe try PNG.
Where is PNG?
Right there. There we go.
But now I can't click image sequence.
What the hell?
Is it like this? Okay. So I had to change it to PNG. I select the first one, then I do image sequence, and then I click open.
Yes.
And then 24. Oh my goodness, that took so long. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
So it's just already like this. And since we're in Photoshop now, I can press C and like crop it a bit more if I wanted to.
You can, yeah, you can crop it to whatever it fits. I don't really give a fuck. Amen.
I don't want it to... Leave me alone.
The loop-de-loop on his hair is a vital organ. If that
I
gets
know!
cropped off, he dies.
I was just... For some reason it was, like, cropping, like... I don't know. Never mind, I'm not gonna crop it, because it's being weird.
Yeah, that's fine. I can crop it if I need to.
So you go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy.
Okay.
And then it's... Mine's already a GIF, but you might have to change it right here. And then you make sure it's transparent. Color's 256 is fine. You can... I think that's the highest.
Okay.
You can look at all of this if you want, but I'm pretty sure
I
it's
think
just...
it's probably fine.
This one's saving to downloads. I'm just gonna name it Rudy.
Yay!
Save. And then, I'm gonna be real, sometimes... I don't know if this is like a problem with everyone, but sometimes I have to, export the same GIF twice for it to work. And just overwrite it. Yeah, sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. So like, this one I didn't have to. We're all good.
Why do you have to sometimes?
Sometimes I just legit can't find it.
Oh.
Like, it says that it exported, but I can't find it anywhere, so...
Oh, that happens to me sometimes, too. Yay, it's cuteness!
We can try to figure out PNG sequence GIF.
Let's give this a shot and see how it goes. Because, like, if I... Yeah.
Oh!
You might have to... You might have to, like, open it up. And then...
Oh, true.
Yeah, and then select them all. Ooh, 63.
I got, like, scared for a second. I was like, my bad.
You broke it!
I think I had to turn off ad block on this website because it was like, we won't let you use it.
Really? I have ad block and it lets me use it. The sickening ad block.
Sickening ad block.
63 files. It's kind of killing it.
There we go.
Ooh, baby.
And then
loop.
I don't know what delay time is.
I don't know. We can give it a shot.
Toggle range of frames. What?
I don't know. Sometimes with this side, I just like make it, and then if there's anything I need to edit, I just do it and then make it again.
Yeah. TBH.
TBH, it's real. Oh!
Oh my word!
Oh my word!
Oh my word! Oh my word!
Oh yeah, so I think you set delay time.
Don't stack frames.
Yeah, don't stack, and then maybe.
Sometimes it needs to play one time all the way before it
before
plays the normal
heals
speed.
Itself.
Yeah.
But yeah, otherwise this looks fine. Other than being slow is all gnarly.
Why is it so slow? Delay time to 1?
Try that.
Oh, I see. It's like.
Okay, wait. What's
heal?
the problem?
Heal maybe?
How do we save it?
Yeah, it's pretty slow.
Yeah, I get why that's probably less advantageous.
Yeah. I remember, like, I'm pretty sure this is the exact same issue I had when I first tried it, because I was like, why is it so slow? So, I mean, I guess you could.
Yeah, no, I get that. Okay. But Photoshop is better. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
I guess if you ever really want me to, like, if you make one in After Effects and you want me to export it for you, you could just send me the PNG sequence.
Okay.
I could do that for you.
I need to give you my dollars.
I know that. The first one that I ever did it with, not Mr.
Wasn't Mr. Potato.
This one. It was this one.
Ooh.
And it took me... You don't understand how long this took to export correctly.
How long did it take? Like 4 hours?
It was my first time learning how to do it, so it was... I don't even know if it actually took like 4 hours, but it just was a lot of trial and error until I finally got it.
Well, now you know. Can you send me that website that you're looking at that gave you the how-to?
Yeah, I already sent it. It's above the...
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you show me your video process?
The video process?
Yeah, of your last map part.
Map parts?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. After Effects.
Do you use After Effects for everything?
Yeah, and I also don't have the correct drivers for it.
Ooh.
Every time I open it, it's like, you don't have the right ones, and I'm like, I don't care.
If it works, I mean...
Yeah. Do you want to see, like, Ernest, or the... I have the one Promised Neverland one, too, that's a lot.
Whichever you think would be more easy for me to process with my mind.
Ernest was pretty simple, and the Promised Neverland one was kind of a lot.
Then how about Ernest for right now?
Okay.
And we can graduate to the other one at a different point in time. Ooh.
After Effects 2 miles... I don't believe you.
You're a fucking liar.
So I just... These two, I compressed these, so... No, these... Yeah, these were the...
Ooh! So basically this was the same process as removing Randall?
Yeah, it was just tweening again.
Okay.
But, the Killua...
What'd you say?
And the Killua eye blink was fun. I think the most, like, the part that's most map part-esque instead of not just doing a animated page all thing was the text, and
how did you do the text? I'm curious.
Yeah, it has... Where's the effects control? Why isn't it showing it?
I don't know, I'm scared.
I don't know. Well, basically, you can go to... Where is it? Effects and presets. You can find a lot in here.
Okay.
And so, like, my favorite ones are wiggle and position. So let's say I just want to add this to all of this right here, and then I set it to the speed to like 5 and wiggle them out to like 2, and so now they wiggle a little bit.
Oh my.
But like a good thing that I use it on is like if tears or the eyes are like wavy, I guess. The wiggle position is my favorite, and then I did the text. There is one that's legit just called typewriter, and you put it on a text layer, which is what this is.
And then basically you just like add it when to sync with the audio.
Yeah, you just like time it out to... It's a little bit of a trial and error process, but you just time it out to...
I imagine. This is kind of like Sony Vegas, but better.
When Juno was like telling me about like Sony Vegas, I was just like, you can do that so quickly in After Effects.
I know. Oh my god. No, I could rock my world with this. Okay. So yeah, it's basically the same thing, but with just more moving parts.
Yeah. I don't know why I just freaked out right there.
I was tweaking.
Yeah, I opened it. I'm gonna close it.
Okay.
Sometimes, if something ever, like, just refuses to work for whatever reason, just close it, and you'll be fine.
Okay. Sony Vegas crashed on me all the time.
What was Miracle? I forgot what Miracle was.
What was so different about the Promised Neverland one?
Was that it was like... There's a lot more editing, I guess. Hold on. Or what was it? Charles.
Research results in poop.
That's my main thing. Shout out to poop.
Shout out to poop.
Oh gosh, I f***ed up. I closed it earlier.
What happened to you?
Hold on. Set If you ever fuck up, you can just go right there and reset the layout to back to normal.
Do you have the default layout pretty much?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh. Oh gosh, that's so loud for me.
I forget that you use a Mac. Is this a Mac?
I don't use a Mac.
Oh.
No.
Oh, my bad.
But the white there is a stupid shape layer, which I fucking hate.
Why you hate shape?
Because it's confusing and scary. But like, there's a lot of different edited layers on here, I guess. It was a lot of trial and error because I also tried like a bunch of fade out and fades in, and some of them didn't work, and it was just me playing with a lot of
I think it
stuff.
looks
And then like
though.
him fading in from black to going like to his actual colors was also very hard because I was like, it'll be too much work if I just make like extra PNGs and just like change it from that. So I wanted to figure out how to do it like with the editing itself.
Okay,
So
and you
like,
eventually did.
yeah. Where is it? So like this one, this is Norman.
Normie.
Normie. Think big. I named it big. Yeah, effects control. I had Fade Master and it like went. I mapped it to black and then I made it go to normal.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you basically made it black for a little while and then it. Okay.
Yeah, because I wanted to be like a silhouette at first.
Kind of genius.
Thank you. But it was just, I guess it was just a lot of work because I didn't know how to put in the layers in the correct order, so it was a lot of work of also just like having to put them all in the right spot.
I like how Randall, it was the first time that it just came in right.
I got like surprised. I was happy.
Yeah. I'll upload the recording I took and you can look. I don't know what you did
Yes,
either.
thank you.
It's like
I don't know
It's like
either.
42 minutes long. Oh.
Good lord.
It's okay.
Maybe you can edit that down.
Maybe I can. I don't really mind though. I think that's all I wanted to know for right now.
Yeah, I think that's all I really have to show as well.
Okay.
Like if you ever have questions, you can